Just by listening and reading books, you cannot become fluent. What are the points that I can talk about when it comes to this topic? You have to speak continuously for 1 minute at least and write down the important points. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shalima. So for all the English learners, the ultimate goal is to gain fluency in this language. People keep complaining that I am listening a lot, I'm reading a lot, I'm reading so many books, but I'm not able to become fluent in English. Just by listening and reading books, you cannot become fluent, guys. You speak by now, you must be knowing that, right? So in this video, I'm going to share a technique which you can practice in order to become fluent in English. Now, what are the advantages of this technique? The biggest advantage is that you don't need a partner to practice this. You can practice this by yourself, guys. This is a big relief, right? Many of you have this issue that you don't have a partner to practice English speaking. So the next big advantage, you need to invest maximum 10 minutes a day, all right, to practice it. Now, come on, everybody has at least 10 minutes to dedicate to this language. Okay, so now what is the technique? This is known as the jam. I think you know it. Jam stand for just a minute. It is possible that you have already heard about this. But in this video, I am going to demonstrate and show you how you can do it in order to get maximum benefits out of it. So watch the complete video. So before I demonstrate and show you, I would want to tell you that there are some rules required which you need to follow to practice this. So what are the rules? The first one, you have to speak continuously 1 minute at least. Minimum 1 minute, all right? And rule number 2 is when you start doing it, you cannot use a pen and paper. You cannot write down anything and then practice this, okay? And rule number 3 is you cannot pause for more than 3 seconds. Yes, you can pause to take a breath, but not for more than 3 seconds. You need to talk for a complete 1 minute. Okay, you just need to keep talking. It doesn't matter whether you are talking total nonsense or something irrelevant to the topic that you have chosen. Okay, the fourth rule is that you cannot repeat the same sentence. Okay, so this is not a repetition, this is something to make you fluent. All right, this technique requires your critical thinking. All right, you should use your mind in order to get different sentences. So it is not allowed that you keep repeating the sentences. Now, how to practice this technique? Firstly, so choose a topic. All right, choose a topic like your hobbies, politics, sports, history, whatever intrigues you. Okay, or even better, you can choose a questions also, right? See, when you are just starting out, choose a question about which you have good knowledge. Okay, and very simple, you can choose a very simple topic. Okay, later on you can move to more complex questions, but in the first time when you are going to speak, you choose a very simple questions. So I will give you a few questions also about which you can talk. All right, so you can talk about the first one. What was the last time your whole family get together? Okay, and maybe for a function or some occasion, when your family got together last time. Okay, you need to describe that memories. Okay, the second one is that the moment when you were really proud of yourself. Okay, and the third one, why I want to become fluent in English. Okay, and next is my favorite, pastime. The other one is advantage and disadvantages of social media. So these are the just few examples that you can talk about any random topic. Okay, like describing your childhood, your best friend, your favorite teacher, your school, your college, your best experience from school or college. Okay, so the questions are unlimited. You can choose any one of them and speak on it. All right, also you can use these questions to practice your mirror talk or recording yourself. Okay, and this is also a solution to people who say that you cannot talk about any topic, but when it comes to general conversation, you do good. So every day pick up different topics, then you will be comfortable talking about any given topic. So now I will choose the topic, which is advantages and disadvantages of social media. I will do the activity for you right now, and I will show you how you can do it as well. Okay, so I'll just demonstrate it. Okay, there are the at least 3 stages in which you can practice this technique, right guys, in order to get maximum benefits. Everybody is having the stopwatch in their phone, so you need a stopwatch or any mobile phone in which you need to start the stopwatch for 1 minute. So now I'm going to talk about the topic. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about the advantages and disadvantages of social media. As you can see, I have a phone in my hand and I have just opened a stopwatch. Okay, and now I'm going to get ready for this. Okay, now it has been started, and now I'm going to just talk about the advantages and disadvantages of the social media. Social media has become an integral part of our daily life, from connecting with friends and family to promote. Social media platform like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and LinkedIn offer immense value. However, excessive use of social media can also have negative effect. Its impact on industries and the major advantages and disadvantages of, I just talk about the social media advantages. So there are few advantages. Okay, so the first one is connecting and communicating with others users through messages, posts and tweets, etc., and sharing multimedia content like photos, videos and gifs, memes, etc., and expressing opinions, ideas and thoughts through posts and comments, creating groups, pages and online communities based on interest and topic. Okay, now you can see I spoke 1 minute. Okay, now this is 1 minute, so that was not very easy. I know not, it is not very easy, but still you have to do it. Okay, now let us come on the second stage. The second stage, in this stage you again need one paper and pen. Okay, but in the first stage you no need to take the pen and paper, but in the second stage you just take the pen and paper, and whatever you spoke earlier, just write the important points on it. So what was the important points I spoken about? Okay, so it was connecting, communicating with people, sharing your photos, videos, online business, etc. Okay, so now write these points down so you can remember, so you can better remember that. Again, in the second stage you use these points. Okay, why I'm saying this? Now these points talk about the same topic. It is possible that when you talk about the second time, you will get other ideas about these words. Okay, now come to the third stage. The same thing you will have to do it, okay, one last time. Now in the third stage, you can do is you can recollect all the things that you have written down and start speaking for again 1 minute. Okay, and continue speaking for as long as you are getting the ideas or thoughts related to the topic. Okay, just keep talking as much as possible. And it is a nice thing, guys, it is a nice thing. If you are talking more than 1 minute, it's really good for you. So the minimum is 1 minute, or if you want, you can continue for fourth stage also, or fifth stage. Every time pick new topic, don't pick the old one, and practice till you get tired, or you feel it's enough for today. Okay, so in 10 minutes you can practice 3 rounds, 4 rounds. So this was the thing I wanted to share with you, and this is the very good thing. And if you will practice by this super technique every single day, you will find noticeable change in you within, I can say, within a 1 month. So are you ready to take this challenge for 1 month? Now I have given you the best possible technique which I did in my days. And if you are not having a partner, still you can improve your English. If you are a housewife, if you don't have money, if you want to speak English, you can just speak. You can just speak at least 10 minutes every day. Friends, those who wants to speak English but they don't have a partner, or they don't have time, or they don't want to pay money to the coachings, you can just share this video to them also. So at least they will just get the ideas how they have to do the practice. Okay, and so that's it for this today's video. If you like this video, please support my channel, and please share this video as much as you can, and like this video, comment down how you feel and how you like the video. And thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.